Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you can grant one user's OneDrive access to another user. So to do this, you can do this by three ways. So one way is you log on to the target your source OneDrive account. In my case, this Azure.credit is my source account. So I log into this OneDrive. So you have to log in with the web, and then you click on this settings option. Click on OneDrive settings. So once the OneDrive settings is visible, then you click on more settings, then click on site collection administrator. So once you click on the site collection administrator, then in here you type the person that you wanted to give the access. So just type these users and then click on OK. So first thing, that why we need to do this, sometimes that one user, he can leave the company. So his OneDrive data might be needed by his supervisor, or to collect the company information or OneDrive data to IT admin. So this way you can have access to the users of OneDrive folder. So once you do that, you can copy the link. Okay, so once you do this, you can just copy this link. Okay, so copy this one, and this is my target account that I give the access. So let's try to access the OneDrive file. So okay, it's going to the settings. Okay, let's not I'm copying the settings file. So let me click on the OneDrive in here. So this is the web link. So I need to copy this one, then I need to paste in here. So now you see I can access that other users OneDrive file. So I can download the files in here and then make a copy to my folder. So this way I can move file, or to have a full control of this OneDrive. So I can do whatever I want with this drive. So this is one way you can grant access to other users OneDrive file. So now let's say you don't have you don't want to do this from the user end. So you can still do this from the IT admin. So let's clear this out. So to test, okay, I already cleared this, so I think this should not work. Yes, so I don't have the access in here. So the second method is to do this. You need to log in to your admin account. So I wanted to give the access to this account, right, for as Azure.credit account to another user. So to do that, I need to click on this OneDrive in here. Now I click on create link to files. So I log in this admin center with my global admin account. So as you can see, this is my global admin. So this is different from the users. So I click on here. So if I click that, a global admin can access the user file very easily. So as I am a global administrator, so a global administrator has the rights to access all the users OneDrive file if you want. So now click on OneDrive settings, and here click on more settings, and then site collection. So this way I can again add the users. So this is the second method, that it doesn't need the users access. from an admin or IT admin can do this. So by entering the the person's OneDrive account and then assign it. So let's say the third method is, now I'm showing you the third method. So the third method is, let's say I don't have the access to copy this the OneDrive folder, so I don't want to do this. So what will be the third way to do this? So to do this, not from the user's end, I can also do this using the SharePoint admin site. So third method is to use a SharePoint admin site. So I click on SharePoint admin site, click on more features, then you open user profiles. So once you open this, now click on manage user profile. So now you find your users that you wanted to give the access to the target account. So this is your source account. Okay, so this is azure.credit, your source account. Just right click on here. Okay, or you can just select this and then right click on here and then click on manage site collection owners. So if you click on this will give you the site collection administrator. Okay, so here you can still add the users that you wanted to add. You click on check users, or you can also search it from the directory. So now click on OK. Okay, it's already done. Now you can manage the personal, click on the manage personal site. So this is the site. Okay, so this is the OneDrive of that users. You can copy this, then go to your users that you give the access, click on enter, and you can see the file. So in third way, you don't have to do this give the access from from the directly users account. You can do this by using SharePoint admin center. So this is SharePoint admin center is very, very useful if you encounter some OneDrive issues, or sometimes say that the right user, the right person that do not have the permission to access the OneDrive. So you can do the troubleshooting from here. So this is a very useful features to troubleshooting the OneDrive issues. This is very useful if you are an IT administrator or Office 365 administrator. You can easily do some troubleshooting from here. So I'm showing the three ways that you can give one user's OneDrive access to another user. So that's it for today. Thank you.